What's up guys, and you're welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, and if you're old here, thank you so much for coming back. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your custom shapes in Pixellab. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, let's delete this text. And the next thing that we're going to do is to insert a shape. So let's click on shapes. So having inserted a shape, just go ahead and reduce the radius to your satisfaction, alright, how you want it to. So I just have to click on a check mark and click empty space within my working area, then come back to shapes again. This time around I have to change the color of it to a different thing. Now having done this, the next thing to do is to reduce the size a bit, alright, then click on the check mark. After that, then you position it to the back of the first layer, which is the white one, then click on to back. Go ahead and lock the first layer at the top. Now come back and position this layer nicely over here, alright. If you see that it is larger than the first one, just make sure that you reduce the size a bit like this, then come back, place it beneath it gently, alright. Okay, so let's use this position tool to make it perfect. Having done it like this, just go ahead and make a copy of the text, the shape for that matter, then bring it down. Don't forget to lock the previous one. And when you're doing this, send this one also to the back of the white shape. So click on to back. Alright, so over here, to make sure you use the position tool to adjust it properly. To do it until you get it fit perfectly as you want it. Alright, so I think this is okay. So the next thing to do is to make sure that you merge all of them. So click on this, select the three, click on merge, and merge it like this. Alright, so having done this, you can go ahead and change the color of it. Let's say to this one, then you have it like this. You can change the color to any color at all you want. You can even change it to this if you want. Alright, so that is the first shape that you can make using the shapes just in what Pixellab. You can make your custom shapes in Pixellab without having to struggle. Alright, so that is the first shape. Let's go ahead and do the second one. So let's delete this. The second one that we're going to do is also kind of similar to the previous one, so let's do it. Alright, we still reduce the radius to our satisfaction, then click the check mark, position this at the middle of our working area, then click on shapes again, change the color to any color that you want at all. Then this time around, we also work on the size of the shape. Alright, we work on it a bit. And put it perfectly onto this, then click the check mark. Alright, as usual, let's lock the white layer, send this one to the back of it, just to make sure that we are having a perfect work over here. You can always use the position tool to adjust it. Now having done this, just go ahead and make a copy of it, rotate it a bit, then bring it down here. Then use the position tool to adjust it properly. Don't forget to lock the previous layer as well. Then send this one to the back and use it to adjust everything. Alright, so here we have it. You can go ahead and merge everything again. Then you come back and change the color of it to whichever color that you want at all. Alright, it is your choice. Now you might be wondering, how do we use these shapes? Alright, let me just delete this. So if you are wondering how we use this shape, let me just go ahead and import one that we've actually designed earlier on. Now if you are wondering how we use these kind of designs or these kind of shapes, assuming you want to power clip something, you can use this shape to power clip it just to look kind of perfect in your work. Alright, so let me power clip one picture. Alright, so you can first of all have to select the shape, go to texture, then click on this, look for the image you want to power clip, then you go ahead and select it. So in my case, I'll choose this picture right here. So you just have to click the check mark right here. So I have this image power clipped into this. Alright, you can play around and use it anyhow that you want to use it. Alright, it is a perfect way to actually put in some elements in your design work. If you want to play around with some kind of cool shapes, this is one of the perfect ways to go about it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit the like button on this video, and bless up.